With YouTube TV, you never have to miss an episode, movie, or game by recording them to your library. First of all, it's important to note that recording doesn't take up any space on your device, and you can record as many programs as you like. Remember, you still need to be connected to the internet to view a recorded program. To add a program to your library, tap the plus icon next to the program title. This will record all current and upcoming airings. Your live TV recordings will be saved for 9 months, while on-demand programs will vary. To remove a program from your library, just select the Remove icon next to the title on the program page. The show will no longer be recorded, but your recorded programs will still be available until they expire. When you're ready to watch a recording, visit your library by tapping the Library tab. Sports recordings are usually extended 30 minutes beyond the scheduled end time, just in case the games run long. But sometimes YouTube TV will detect the specific end time of the game and extend the recording until then. All other recordings are extended 1 minute past the scheduled end time. If you add a show to your library, all upcoming airings and reruns will be recorded automatically. Remember, you can't record a single episode, but with YouTube taking care of your recording space, why not record them all? If you're a sports fan, you can add your favorite teams to your library, and any games available in your area will be recorded. On some occasions, certain sporting events may not be available. For one-off events, like award shows, just add the event to your library. If you've added a program to your library, you'll be able to watch DVR recordings by default, so you can skip ads and pause and rewind your recordings. Sometimes, recorded content may still have unskippable ads due to network requirements. When you're on the Home tab of the YouTube TV mobile app, long press on any program's thumbnail to open a menu that includes options like adding a program to your library. If you add a program to your library while an episode is in progress, your recording will start from the time you added the program. If a rerun of the episode airs, your partial recording will be replaced by the full episode. That's it. Remember, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.